Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for sparing your time to just come and watch this video. So if you've seen the title of the video, which you definitely have, we're going to be doing another ponytail extension. If you've been here from the get-go, you know how much I love my extensions, just because they make work easier sometimes and they just add a bit of spice to your hairstyles if you have short hair or if you have long hair, whatever the case, they just add a little something. So I'm really hoping you can't hear that, but yes. So let's get straight into this video before I ramble on too much. And disclaimer, if you've not liked and subscribed to this channel, please do. It helps this little family grow. It can just thank you. Yes, so let me go ahead and start this video. So this is how the whole point of this it looks like a bundle. It looks like a weave bundle. And do you know when you're doing ponytails how you have to take out a piece of the hair and then wrap it around? So what they've done, so let me just get it out. So what they've done, the people who made this, they've made a separate section. This is the separate section. I don't know if you can see that. That's the separate section. It comes attached with something there. So that is what this is the side now that you're going to use to wrap around to cover whatever part of your pony exists. So yeah, so it's really that simple. It has hooks on this side, so you just hook it, wrap, and you're ready to go. So let's do this, Sasa. Okay, so first things first, I'm not going to do anything extra with my hair. I'm just going to do a simple slick back, nothing extra. I'm not going to add any gold pins. I'm not going to do any flat twist, any rubber band twists, nothing. Just a simple clean look, because that's what I'm going for. You know, sometimes when you're going out and you really don't want to do too much, you just want something really simple. Maybe your makeup is extra and you just want something simple on your hair, or you're just feeling simple. So yeah, so that's my go-to look for today. Nothing extra, plain simple, something I can do in 30 minutes and walk, even less than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a lot. That's just me being, again, extra. So let's, okay, I'm talking too much. Let's do this. So what you've just watched is me attaching my ponytail. It was super easy, honestly. That was the easiest ponytail I've ever done. Now you can add a bit of bling if you want to. I just wanted something really simple, really sleek, really clean. You can even do this if you're going to work, you know, and you don't want something that draws too much attention, but you still want something that's sleek and clean and presentable. So yeah, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me lay my edges with the Pretty Edges Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor. Again, if you are a regular here, you've seen this in all the videos. So I've laid my edges, and that's literally all for this video. I have nothing more to add. Of course, I'm going to spray my hair with the ORS Sheen Spray just because. You remember the conversation we had about Sheen sprays and just using something to cover up just to protect your face in case you have sensitive skin, or if you just want to make sure you don't get acne because of hair products. But why can't I speak? That's literally all for this video. Thank you so much for keeping up with me. Tell me what you think about this pony. It's very lightweight. You can even do a bun situation and make it look like your hair. You can do a low pony, it doesn't have to be high. I just have a small head and I like high ponies, but you can do that. And that's all for this video. Honestly, it was really that simple, that quick, something again super clean, super easy, and quick at the same time. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping up with me and this video. Thank you for tuning in. It really means a lot to me and this channel. And I hope to see you next Tuesday. Leave me a comment and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. I will love you and leave you.